VirtuTrax is another option within the volume navigation suite of tools. It allows you to track an instrument of a larger gauge, giving you greater flexibility for procedures. Please remember, when you're setting up for a true needle tracking procedure, that you are using proper sterile technique. You will notice for this demonstration that I am not in a sterile environment. There's a reusable sensor that gets attached to a disposable clip, and then the procedure needle or instrument of choice gets attached to this clip. The clip comes within a disposable kit that has both this as well as a sheath to cover your sensor. You also have the option of cold sterilizing. Just to give you a little bit of how this gets attached. On the sensor itself, attaches to the clip, just snaps in place. Your instrument gets placed along the side. On one side, there's an arrow that lets us know that faces down. The instrument slides in and gets secured in place. We now need to let the system know the length of the procedure instrument that we'll be using in order for it to track, and there's several different ways we can do that. We can either look at the packaging that it came in and get the length in millimeters. We can measure it, or we can have the system automatically determine the length, and I'm going to show you how to do that procedure. If I come over to the ultrasound system, I'm going to select Virtual Tracker, and a box will pop up. I have the option now of just entering the length, which for this particular instrument is 120 millimeters. I'm going to type it in. I can also label it. The benefit of labeling is that I'm able to now, if we use this instrument in the future, I can just select it from a list for more efficiency in the future. Once it's done, I'm now ready to perform my procedure. Just going to give you another option on how we can tell the system the length of the instrument. I'm going to select Virtual Tracker again, and now I'm going to select from the bottom of the box Define via Image. I'm just going to press that button and let the system know start. Now I'm just going to bring the instrument over to the transducer that I'm using, find the tip in my image, bring the arrow up to the tip, and press the select button by the trackball. Now the system will automatically determine the length and save that also for future use. And VirtuTrax is another way that volume navigation can help you with greater flexibility doing your interventional procedures.